Hey everyone, this is Vicious88 from InfoHub.me, and this little video is going to be part of my how to work CraftBook thread, or CraftBook for beginners, I believe is what the actual title is. And what I'm going to actually be showing you with this video is how to use CraftBook's built-in gate feature. Now, normally when you say gate in regards to Minecraft, we're talking about redstone electrical gates, integrated circuits that do things like require both levers to be flipped to perform an operation, so on and so forth. This is different because this is an actual physical gate, like what you'd find in front of a castle. Excuse my voice, it's 6:19 in the morning. I just woke up and I'm hoping to sort of dutifully churn this out before morning. So what I'm going to start doing here is spacing out a large gate door frame, if you will, and using that to act as the container for the rest of our gate. And what you're going to notice as I do this is that you can spare this part by putting this in pretty much any container you want. Let's say that you already have a castle built, or you have a big hole in the wall that you want to use a gate on. Well, this is perfect for those applications. Now what I'm doing is putting some dirt, leaving one space of air. That way I can have an easily removable block to use as a temporary base on which to build our actual gate, which is going to be made of fence block. Now if I come in here and remove the dirt, what I'm left with is something that, with a little imagination, looks a little bit like a castle gate. And while you may not be able to see that clearly right now, we can use a sign in our CraftBook function, gate. Now all CraftBook functions have to be written on the second line of the sign and inside straight brackets, usually capitalizing the first letter of the word. Now when we created that, Minecraft noted that we had created a gate. Let me set the time back to day so that my FPS doesn't drop too horribly. If I could kill that sheep, it would speed things up though. Okay, anyway. Left clicking on it, as you see, has no effect. You have to treat it like a switch and right click on it. You get a notice that the gate has been toggled and it comes completely down. Right click on it again and it's back up. Now this is handy for a number of reasons. Mostly because if you don't want your gate to show, number one, this sign can be really a good distance away. For example, you could have the sign over here and it's still open and close that gate. As long as it's within, I would say, 6 blocks, it'll open and close the gate without fail. Right? Additionally, if you need to get even further away, you can rig up these signs to redstone. And you don't get the gate toggled message like you do when you right click the sign. So that allows for a more stealthy element in case you're building a dungeon where you don't allow anyone to carry any tools. You may not want them to be tunneling through walls, but you may also not want them to know that the action they just did opened a gate, you know, that they passed a while back with a treasure chest behind it or something like that. In any case, this has been CraftBook Gates tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it.